What it do, peoples? First up, we have Buzz Lightyear against Buzz Lightyear. And we have a winner. Next up, Spider-Man versus Spider-Man. Now that's what we call a blowout. He ain't give him no other chance. No chance, no choice. You already saw it. You see who the winner is. And now we have Iron Man versus Iron Man. And another blowout. No chance, no choice, no other options. Darth Vader versus Darth Vader. And we have another winner. It was definitely not a blowout, but he definitely got that. Oh, there's a challenger. Luke Skywalker versus Darth Vader. And we have another winner. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna say another winner or I don't know if Luke should have challenged him. Luke, y'all saw what just happened. Let's just move on. Up next, Mulan versus Elsa. And yet another blowout. Elsa for the win. R2-D2 and C-3PO. R2-D2 with another blowout win. And now we have Carl versus Bob. And Bob takes it for another blowout win.